Hello, in this particular lesson, we're going to discuss the Harvard formatting style. The Harvard formatting style is a lot like the APA formatting style. Example, let's look at the Harvard template and I'll show you the similarities. Just like APA, Harvard formatting style has a title page, which looks a lot like APA. Just like APA, the Harvard formatting style also has a header section that has the heading of the paper and the page number. But unlike APA, the header section is the same in all the pages. I have an example here of a paper that needs to be formatted using the Harvard formatting style, and we're going to before I continue, realize one thing. In the universal formatting styles lesson, we said that all papers, unless otherwise stated, should have a font style of Times New Roman. Now, this is an example of a paper where the client specifically, the instructions were specific. Don't use Times New Roman, use Arial, and that's why we use a different font. So this is really a cool example of all those universal formatting styles. We use them unless otherwise stated. So we're going to start by creating the header. Double click on the header section, page number. By now this must be really routine. Pick the third option, page number. Then we're going to type the title of the paper. The title of this paper is a report on a company, on a UK company called People Plus. So our header is basically going to be report on, and we're done with this section. So let's just do quick formatting on it. Home, make sure it is Arial, make sure it's times 12, make sure the font for this particular section is double. Next, we're going to type the title page. Before we work on the title page, we need to move this table of content to the next page. So we're going to insert, and we're going to insert a page break. Now we have like a blank page where we can paste the title page. Come to the template, copy the entire title page, paste the title page onto the Harvard formatting style page. Then there's one thing we need to replace on the title page. Okay, we're going to leave all this as placeholders: the student's name, the code of the course, the professor's name, the university name, the city, the date. All we need to change is the title, because we have the title of the paper. And the title of this paper, Consultancy Report of a Case Summary on People Plus UK. After we've done that, let's look at the headings. So this is a level 1 heading. Level 1 headings, make sure they're bold, make sure they're centered. This is a level 2 heading. Level 2 headings, left aligned, bold. Same thing, this is a level 2 heading. Bold, left aligned. We do the same thing until we're done with all the headings. Next, let's look at the in-text citation. The in-text citations for Harvard take the author, year, page format. So you basically need to state the authors, the year it was published, and the page in which you picked that reference. So in our case, for example, this reference is from a paper written by Jenkins and Williamson's 2015, page number 10. So after you make sure all those citations take that format. After we're done with the in-text citation, it's time to deal with the reference section. Just like in APA, the citations in Harvard are under the reference section. So the reference section is on its own page as usual. Page break, make sure it's on its own page. The title of the reference page is centered and it's not bolded. And that's basically it. Here's our Harvard paper, formatted and ready to be presented to the client. Thank you.